The next method of GPS survey is rapid static survey, and this rapid static survey is similar to our previous static method. Only difference is here the observation time is short comparing to the previous one. Here the observation time is about 5 to 20 minutes, and in the previous one the observation time is 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so that is the main difference. So to measure baseline and determine position up to centimeter levels with short observation time of about 5 to 20 minutes. That is, here duration is about 5 to 20 minutes, and similar to static method but consists of a shortened site occupation time, that is 5 to 20 minutes, and a reference point is chosen and one or more rover operates with respect to it. That is, there will here also there will be minimum two receiver. One will be at a reference point, and there will be one or more rovers. Rovers means the points whose position are unknown, and used for detailed existing network or short baseline, that is for less than 20 kilometer distance we are using this method. And the rapid static technique provide the same accuracy available from 1 to 2 hours session of static positioning with observations of 5 to 20 minutes. That is, the accuracy is same as our previous one, but here observation time is very low. And if no known point is available, it can be set anywhere within the network by continuous observation for a period of 24 hours over the station and finding out its value. That is, if there is no known point, we can place the receiver on the unknown point and we can wait for 24 hours. Then we will get the position details of that point. The length of time that the rover must observe for each point is related to the baseline length from reference station and geometry of satellite. Okay, that is the duration of the observation depends upon the baseline length from the reference station to that of the unknown point. So based on that we are maintaining the observation time. Okay, that is, if the distance between this reference point and rover is very high, the observation time will be more. Then data is recorded and post-processed back at the office. Then checks should be carried out to ensure that no gross error exists in the measurement. That is, there should be check for error, and measuring the points again if required can be done on different time on that day. That is, if there is so much error, we can repeat the process, and it should be done on different time on the same day. When working with more than one rover receiver, it is essential to ensure that all rovers operate at each occupied point simultaneously. That is, if there is more rovers, each of these rovers operate at each occupied point simultaneously. That is, so process will be simultaneous. That is, the data should be received from the same satellites for the different rover station. And the accuracy is same as that of the static method. Okay, and the application for control survey we are using this rapid static method, and GIS city inventories. Then for detailed survey also we can use this one. Then replace traversing method and also local triangulation. These all you have studied. Then any job where many points have to be surveyed. That is, we are using so many rovers here, so we can do it for many points which has to be surveyed. And the advantage, it is easy, quick and efficient. Then ideal for short range survey. That is, if the baseline distance is very short, this is the best method, and conserve battery power. So these are the advantages. So this is about rapid static method. So next is pseudostatic survey or reoccupation survey. So this is the last method of survey under static method, and this is similar to rapid static method. And this is known as pseudostatic because it is in between static and kinematic. That is, here there is a little bit movement of the receiver, so it is known as pseudostatic or reoccupation. That is, reference point is chosen and the rover receiver visits each of the points. That is, a reference point, here a reference point is chosen, and the rover receiver visit each of the point starting from one end to the other. That is, the rover will for example here this point 1, this is the path which is followed by the rover, that is 1, this path 1. This is the first location of the rover, and it is traveled in the second location, and also it is traveled in the third location, then fourth location, then again in the first location. So this is the one complete rotation of the rover. That is, reference point is chosen and rover receiver visits each of the points starting from one end to the other end, giving an enclosed polygon. And also reoccupation start from the same starting point by repeating the same point by repeating same procedure once again. That is, the same procedure again starts. That is, this is the path which is followed by the first cycle. That is 1 1 1 1. That is, this is the path of rover in the first cycle. And in the second cycle, this rover follow the same path in the second time. That is 2. It is marked in 2. That is, rover starts from here, then here, 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 and completes the polygon. That is, this is the first one. That is the path which is marked by 1. The path marked by the number 1 is travelled for the first time. And for the second time, the path followed by the rover is marked as numeric 2. Okay, that is, the rover completes the polygon in 2 times. Okay, and here the reoccupation starts from same starting point by repeating the same point by repeating same procedure once again, at least after 1 hour of the previous observation. That is, here in this clock, this is first path. That is, the path followed by the first cycle is at 12 o'clock. Then after 1 hour, that is at 1 o'clock, it again travels along the same path. That is 2. Second time it is marked as 2. Okay, that is, observation is taking place during 2 operations in the same cycle. Okay, and the disadvantage means the user has to wait for at least 1 hour before reobserving. That is, the user has to wait for a long time, and each point has to be visited twice. So these are the disadvantages. Same point has to be visited again. So the user has to wait for at least 1 hour before reobserving. And application, when the constellation is very weak for rapid static survey, that is, if the constellation, that is the satellite's visibility is very poor, we have to do this pseudostatic. Okay, that is, we have to take twice observations. Okay, so at that situation we are using pseudostatic survey. And when it is difficult to get clear sky on a particular site of observation, so if the visibility is poor for a particular site of observation, we have to adopt this pseudostatic survey. Okay, so these are the static methods of GPS survey. So next class we can discuss about kinematic method. Thank you.